Hello guys, so today I will show you how to make a banner for a channel and also how to upload the banner at your channel. Subscribe to me, share with all of your friends, like the video and comment what you want me to make next. Now I will show you my screen. So first of all, let's open Safari and now exactly write what I write, okay? m.youtube.com and that's all, and now you have to press it. So now press on the your channel. 1 second, it's loading. Just once. So it's loaded. Now press on settings, and now all you have to actually I did it wrong. You have to press on your channel, and then you have to press on your channel, like your channel right there written. Now press on customize channel. Hello guys, so today I'll show you how to make a gaming 3D thumbnail. So just to this video, subscribe to me. So now, once again, let me show you again. If you press on customize channel, tap on it, and now it's going to take me here. 1 second, it's just loading. One second. It's properly freezed. I'm gonna do it once again. Customize channel. It should be here. It's loading. Let's give it a second. Okay, so it's done. Now if you press on, first I'll show you. If you press on the money button right there, it's gonna show you how much watch time or all of your data you have. But I want to show you the amounts. So I'm gonna show you how to make a banner. You can check all the stuff out yourself. These are my videos and all of that. So now let's go to branding, and now here, banner image. That's where you upload it. So now first, let me show you how to make a banner. First go to Google, then write, not that, banner YouTube size, and now go to images. 1 second, it's loading. Let me do it again. Yeah, so I recommend you getting 1 second, let it open. Yeah, I recommend everyone getting this one, or you can get the other ones too, but I recommend this is the best one you should get. But it's your choice, you can get any one of them. There are multiple down here. So now I'll go to here. 1 second, I'll show you. PixArt. So now we have to use PixArt. And now sorry for the internet. Now PixArt, I already have it, so you can download it if you don't have it. And now tap on the plus button, and now tap on all photos. Yeah, and not this one. Once again, sorry. Let's go back, get this one. I got this now. And now go to stickers and write white plain, and now get the first one on the top. First one, yeah, this one right here. Or you don't have to get a, yes, actually you need to get a, you can get a, if you don't like waste time on like going on Google and finding a plain one or of your choice of colors, you can just first 1 second I'll show you something. So now you just like adjust it first of all, like make it like enough. First make it enough, like yeah. So now it should be like this, and now 1 second let me just adjust it first of all. Yeah, so now let me just resize it 1 second, exactly at where it should be. And Alt you can take your time and just adjust it as much as you can, so it will come out nice. And now if you press on it and now go to actually yeah, you can go to effects, go to yeah, first of all you have to go to the corner one and go to colors, and now you can go to here and then you can change the things you can here. Actually this was not that good. First of let's go to adjust. You see it down, go to here. Never mind, these don't work anymore for the white one. I mean it didn't work for the white one because white is plain, obviously. 1 second, something happened. Give me a second, just restart it. Just for a second. Okay, it's loading. So it takes a bit sometimes. Yeah, so it's opening the same thing again. And now I'll go to adjust. Actually I'll go to effects, go to color replace. Sorry, I meant color replace. Actually not it's freezed. 1 second, sorry. So now it's okay, it's better now. Color replacement, just tap on it and now you can, or you can't, but you can, if you go to colorism, and now you can change the color to whatever you want. I'm gonna make it I'm gonna keep it white, but you can change the color if you want. Actually there's a bit left on here, let me fix it up. I think so that's better. So now first of all save the picture, and now go to App Store and write Fonto. It's right here, it has update, and I'm not going to update it now. I have it already, so I'll just search it here up, Fonto, and here it is. Go to photo albums and get this one right here. Okay, get the picture right here. So now tap on the screen and now write like your name, something. Write your name. Example. I'll just write example. By the way, I have my own fonts here too. I'm using the one I'm using right now is called Luckiest Guy. You can find it in the fonts. It's free. Example. And now, first of all, let's change the color to black, and now go to let's have black, and now you can go to the styles. Yeah, make it, and that looks better. And now I'll change it up to, like, for example, I'm just gonna make it like this. Yeah, and now it's like done. 1 second, so I should save it right now, and now first of all I'll go back to the same place right here to check where I should place the stickers. So I'll go back and then go to branding, upload, photo. Just it can it can adjust, so I have to take care of this, and I have to put the, so if you want to like, so now 1 second, I know what to do now. So now if you want to like put like stickers or some, like if you want to put like some logos or anything, you have to of course adjust it. I'm just gonna put, for example, I'm just gonna put like Fortnite, just for example. And now let's get them, let's go down, real down, and then that's also real down, but first of all let's get the first one as this one right here, just for example. Actually I'm not doing it like, I'll change the color to white if I can. I'll change like the upper the red mask to white if I can, if it's possible. If it's possible to make it white, I can make it gray. I can actually, I don't think so I can. Let's make it blue, for example, and then let's get another one like facing this way. Yeah, this one is here. Look cool. It's not actually that good in quality, but I'm just gonna use it. So that looks cool. See, it's just like covering the name a bit, but that's not really a problem. That's not really a problem. So I know it doesn't look that good, but I'm just showing you examples. You can make better ones if you want. Now we'll go back. So guys, what I showed you earlier, the m.youtube was not actually working, so I'm just gonna show you the other way to put the. So I showed you how to make a banner. I even made a banner. So now, if you're studio dot youtube youtube.com, it's gonna get you here. And now if you tap on the magic wand thing, the magic wand here is down, and then if you go to branding, upload, 1 second, yes, there. So I made this banner I showed you earlier, use, and that's like done. It's done. So that's all for today. Subscribe to me, like the video, press the bell icon, and comment what you want me to make next, and share with all your friends. And bye.